Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back again in my video. I'm Mochammad Choirurroziqin. I'm from semester class E. Here I will present material about your your art is one and water treatment. Okay, water treatment. On average, polluted water is waste, and wastewater is water that is very damaging to the environment. Causes of water pollution. Okay, water pollution causes industrial water, household, household waste, and agricultural waste. Management stage, usually in industrial premise, and differentiate between household waste and factory waste because they both have different ways and properties. Filtering. Filtering larger size water is filtered so as not to enter with the next process. Next, equalization. Water enter the equalization points to accumulated excess waste. Next, uniformity. Uniformity. Water is combined into one to its types. Next, cooling. Cooling because there is a lot of waste in the factory of there is liquid gas. This process is never done until the waste un, until the waste in the cold tub. Nutrient back erasure biological. Entering this process is a biological invasion. In this process, the composing microbes are added the function of aeration. Is the contact the liquid with oxygen so that it is chilly decomposes aeration. Utilises sunlight to the help the degradation process of inorganic waste that is decomposed by microbes while expression precipitation. Decomposing microbes are aerobic microbes. Usually, if it is dissolved, it is too difficult to separate between it decomposes into nutrient compounds. The waste is easy to separate. Next, clarify. Clarify its function is to clear up the sediment and the water. Next, deposition. Deposition are more deposits than solid and liquid. Sun filter. Sun filter. The need for a sun filter is because there is an absorption process and the recapitulation of ions that are not well dissolved by sun. If waste enter, it is less effective. Next, logon control. Given tilapia for the indicator. Water meter. In water meter is a checking water. This water is suitable for disposal or use. Next, the next metric, uh, your earth is one. The water we drink is an inheritance from your ancestor because your earth is one. Thus, water management is very important in addition to protecting the environment as well as maintaining the stability of the heritage top. Uh, pumping pumping water into the air is not easy because it's change organic or inorganic component. Earth was the water needs the management because it is to maintain water stability and quality because water is very dangerous for the environment. Therefore, more processes are needed for processing. The step of managing water, namely by processing and filtering. Why does it have to be filtered? Because so as not to interfere with the piping. And why choose microbes of over using chemicals? Because it is cheap, more natural, and does not require high energy. And also, as in microbes, there is a condition that water is not too heavy. And here also requires a clarifier. Sorry. Sorry. Next, and here also requires a clarifier in order to settle the mouth and dry it so that the water does not rot. After that is drained and then given a disinfectant. Given disinfectant should not be given in the beginning because the microbes can be. Warning: salts that is not deposited will contain of O3, likely to the compost. Uh, thanks, thanks you for watching me here, where we learn from each other. So if there is a wrong word and meaning, apologize professionally, and every small action counts. Let's protect the environmental together. And I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.